Hey Facebook, good afternoon. Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic here, popping on this afternoon to show you some easy Valentine's treats. I think all the moms out there will appreciate this, dads too. As you know, or you may not know if you're new here, my name is Lois East. I own Ellie Grace's Attic, and we take old treasures and give them new life with handcrafted love. We do everything from coat racks to upcycled jars, but mainly we do wooden signs. That's what we do for the majority of our work here. But we love what we do, and it keeps us quite busy. So not only do I run my own business from my dining room, but I also have 6 children. We have a blended family. We have 6 children between us. Not all of them live at home right now, just 2. The youngest 2, 16 and 7. And that keeps us pretty busy, as you can imagine. We also have 6 grandchildren. So we are running and rolling all the time. So anyway, needless to say, you're probably thinking, what does that have to do with easy Valentine's treats? And you might be thinking that I'm going to show you a beautiful, easy, handcrafted, homemade Valentine's. Well, I hate to break your heart, but we are going to speak to all the busy parents today. And hey, Miss Angela, great to have you with us this afternoon. Miss Angela can appreciate this as well. Because when you're a busy mom or a busy dad and you also work, your kids have extracurricular activities, the list can go on and on and on of why you're busy and stay busy most of the time. And holidays can creep up on you sometimes. So it's okay to take the easy route. I'm just going to let everybody know that today. All you moms who strive to be, Betty Crocker, sometimes it's okay, or, Carol Brady, sometimes it's okay to take the easy route. And so today, my version of easy holiday or Valentine's treats are don't hate me, but they're store-bought. They're store-bought, and let me just tell you, like every other mom out there, the holidays kind of creep up on you. You get the letters from school. Sometimes you don't get the letters from school, and that creates an emergency all in of itself. I'm sure I'm not the only parent that has been told at 9 o'clock the day before a project was due, 9 p.m., the day before the project was due, that, oh, by the way, I need a poster board or whatever. And for that very reason, in my utility room, I have a stash of school supplies, extra folders, extra loose leaf paper, extra pencils, extra pens, extra colors, and poster boards. So I do not get caught without those things. Little man this year needs 19 Valentines. And before you start thinking too bad of me, just about every year up until I think last year and this year, I have made his Valentines from preschool all the way up. We've done some kind of beautiful Valentine creation. But I asked him, what would you like? What do you want to get for your Valentine cards? Do you want to make something? What do you want to do? And his response was, can we just get Skittles? And I said, yes, sir, we surely can. Because, none of us need one more thing to do. And the kids don't care. They don't care. They're going to enjoy the homemade treat, and they're totally going to enjoy the store-bought candy. They're not going to look at it and say, I can't believe that this parent did not make me something from scratch, or, cut out 20 hearts or whatever. They're not going to care. The kids are just excited to get a treat. So you have my permission to let yourself off the hook. Go to Walmart. Y'all, let me just tell you, this is not an ad, but this box of Skittles, which is the particular candy that the little man asked for, he needs 19 Valentines for his class. This has 25 in it. It also has this cute little teacher's card on the back you could cut out and stick some candy to that. So I got the whole class plus the teacher, and it was $2.98. So not only am I saving myself time, but unless I just happen to have all the craft stuff on hand, which was likely, but I wouldn't have had the candy. So I think I'm coming out cheaper as well. So just so you know. So it's totally okay to go store-bought. Now I will also tell you, pardon me, while I take a drink. If you go over to our Ellie Grace's Attic Pinterest page, you are going to see a board that says Valentine's Treats for Kids. And if you just feel so led that you can't go to the Walmart route, you can't do the store-bought, you probably still have time to get on there and find a cute, easy Valentine treat for your kids, and go get the stuff, or you might have the stuff. There's some pretty easy ones on there. I like easy stuff. I'm not about working harder. So anyway, I am going to write the 19 names on here, and little man will just sign them later today, just for time's sake. It'll be quicker for him to just sign his own name. And he will stick them on the Skittles, and he'll bag them up to himself, so he'll have a little bit of ownership in it. And we're going to call that Happy Valentine's. So anyway, I'm going to get to work on this. I just wanted to pop on here this afternoon and share a little bit with you guys that although I love to craft, love to make stuff from hand, and love to love people through those crafts and even food, it's okay to give yourself a break every now and then. Let the pressure off and enjoy your holiday with your littles and your family. So I really can't say happy crafting today. I could say happy shopping. Have a great afternoon, everybody.